Hi friends, welcome to today's video lesson. Today we are doing this worksheet and practicing our reading. You can do this worksheet with me. If you click the link below or scan this QR code, you'll be brought to my website where you can print this worksheet for free and do it with me here today. Today we are working on words that end in A-T. Do you know what sound A and T make? Well, we will get into that soon. So first, let's write our name in the name spot. My name is Miss Happy. What is your name? It's great to see you today. You can write your name in the name spot. So let's look at words that end in A-T. What sound does A make? A makes the sound ah, ah. And what sound does T make? T makes the sound t, t. So when we put A and T together, we get a, t, or at. So the words today all end with at. So the first word we'll look at is this. It starts with a B and ends with A-T. So the B makes a b sound. So it's b at. B at. What word is b at? It's the word bat. Nice job. So on the side, we are looking for a picture of a bat. You tell me when my pointer reaches a bat. Did you say bat? Yes, here is a baseball bat. So let's draw a line from the bat to the bat. Great job. The next word starts with a C. C makes the sound k, 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 k. So we have k, at, k, at. What word is that? The word is cat. Cat. Great job. So now you can draw a line from the cat to the picture of the cat. The next word starts with an S. So this word is at. At. What word is that? Sat. Yes, this is the word sat. Now let's look at our pictures and look for a picture of somebody who sat on a chair. Here's a picture of somebody who sat on a chair. So let's draw a line from sat to this picture. The next word starts with an M. At. At. What word is this? Mat. Mat. Great job. Do you see a mat on the side? I see one right here. This is a doormat. So let's draw a line from the word mat to this picture of a mat. The final word starts with an H. H. At. At. What word is this? This is the word hat. When you put them together, you get hat. Do you see a picture of a hat? Here is a picture of a hat. So let's draw a line from the word hat to the picture of the hat. Great work on reading today with all of your at words. We practiced 5 words today: bat, cat, sat, mat, and hat. And remember, you can visit any of my other videos for more learning fun. I look forward to the next time we're together. Happy learning! Bye!